Hey folks, in this video we're going to be having a look at how we can multiply out brackets. There's a few simple steps to follow. Let's check it out. So we're going to multiply out so that the following are expressed without brackets. The first expression has a 3 times by brackets that say x plus 2y. So we need to multiply the 3 by everything inside the brackets. We need to multiply the 3 by the first term in the bracket, and then multiply 3 by the second term in the bracket. 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times 2y is going to be 6y. We've multiplied everything in the brackets by 3, the first term by 3 and then the second term by 3. With this next example, we've got an a outside the brackets, but the same principle is going to apply. We're going to multiply a by the first term in the brackets, and then we're going to multiply a by the second term in the brackets. A multiplied by a is going to give us a squared, and a multiplied by 2b is going to give us 2ba. This answer is totally correct as it is, but since 2ba means 2 times b times a, and we can write multiplication in any order we want, we might want to write it as 2ab as it's slightly neater. So we could also say is the same as a squared plus 2ab. Thanks very much for watching. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below and I'll endeavour to get back to you.